In a bold move, Meta, the company formerly known as Facebook, has set its sights on a future where smartphones are obsolete. Their weapon of choice? Smart glasses. Mark Zuckerberg, Meta's CEO, envisions a world where our digital and physical lives seamlessly intertwine, all facilitated through the lens of stylish, intuitive smart glasses. This is not just about scrolling through social media feeds hands-free. Meta wants to revolutionize how we interact with the world around us. Imagine attending meetings, watching movies, or even playing games all through these glasses. Zuckerberg believes this technology has the potential to be as revolutionary as the smartphone, if not more so. The success of this ambitious plan hinges on Meta's ability to overcome significant technical and societal hurdles. Developing glasses that are lightweight, stylish, and socially acceptable is no small feat. Privacy concerns regarding data collection and potential misuse will also need to be addressed head-on. However, if Meta succeeds, the implications for our digital future are immense. Meta's journey to replace the smartphone by 2030 is marked by a series of ambitious milestones. The company is investing heavily in research and development, aiming to release increasingly sophisticated versions of its smart glasses every 2 years. In 2025, Meta plans to launch its third generation of smart glasses. These glasses will focus on enhanced, augmented reality experiences. Users can expect improved object recognition, real-time language translation, and more immersive gaming experiences. These features aim to showcase the potential of smart glasses and entice early adopters. By 2027, Meta aims to significantly shrink the size and weight of its glasses while packing in even more advanced technology. Improved battery life, higher resolution displays, and seamless integration with other devices are key areas of focus. This iteration will be crucial in transitioning from a niche gadget to a more mainstream device. The ultimate goal is to have fully functional smart glasses by 2030 that can completely replace the need for a smartphone. These glasses will need to handle everything from communication and entertainment to productivity and personal assistance. Achieving this level of sophistication will require breakthroughs in battery technology, miniaturization, and software development. Meta's ambitious push into the world of smart glasses comes at a significant financial cost. The company's Reality Labs division, responsible for developing these devices, has been operating at a loss for several years. In 2022 alone, Reality Labs reported an operating loss exceeding $13 billion, a figure that's raising eyebrows among investors. Despite these losses, Meta remains committed to its vision. Zuckerberg sees this investment as essential for the company's long-term success. He argues that the smartphone market is saturated, and Meta needs to be at the forefront of the next technological revolution to remain competitive. However, these substantial investments have impacted Meta's stock performance. Investors are concerned about the lack of short-term returns and the uncertainty surrounding the adoption rate of smart glasses. Meta needs to demonstrate a clear path to profitability for its Reality Labs division to regain investor confidence and stabilize its stock price. Meta is not alone in recognizing the potential of smart glasses. The race to dominate this emerging market is heating up, with tech giants like Apple, Alphabet, Google's parent company, Microsoft, and Snap all vying for a piece of the pie. Each company brings its own strengths and strategies to the table, making for a fascinating battle for consumer attention and market share. Apple, known for its sleek design and user-friendly interfaces, is rumored to be developing its own version of smart glasses. Their expertise in hardware and software integration could give them a significant edge in creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. Alphabet, with its vast knowledge graph and dominance in search, could leverage its data prowess to create contextually aware and personalized augmented reality experiences. Microsoft, with its HoloLens technology, is focusing on the enterprise market, targeting businesses and professionals with mixed reality solutions. Snap, known for its success with younger demographics, is taking a more playful and social approach, aiming to make augmented reality accessible and engaging for a wider audience. This competitive landscape will undoubtedly drive innovation and push the boundaries of what's possible with smart glasses.